how to print even or odd numbers using batch script. So opening the command prompt first and moving on the desktop. Now after that, first going to print even or odd number with the help of command prompt. So writing here for loop, after that backwards slash l, then %x, thereafter in, and here the value that start from 0 increase by 2 till go to 100, and after that do echo and here %x. Now if you press enter, here you can see this is now printing all even number that start from 0 till 100. Now after that, to print here even number, odd number, you need to do the changes. In place of 0, you need to write 1. So here let's use CLS, and this is now printing all odd number that start from 1. After that, here this is a command to print here odd number. Now there I'm going to use here batch script. So in batch script you need to change here little, one more modulus you need to give there, one more modulus. After that let's use open any empty file. They're going to copy this the code, this is little code, pasting there. After that save as, and here saving on the desktop, give a meaningful name, odd even. Then after here extensor you need to give the bat, the file that's created. Now thereafter here you can see $% that's not working. So here, but if I write here odd even dot bat, so current directory, here you can see this is desktop, here desktop, print, press enter, here you can see this is now odd number 91, 91, 93, 95, 97, it's all odd number that's displaying there. Now after that, the next thing is here to print even number, you need to give in place of 1, let's give 0, and here let's click on this save as, here giving the name even dot bat, press enter, the file that's created, let's use CLS. Now write here even dot bat. So this is now here 92, 94, 96, 98, 100, this is displaying there. So this is the way we can print here odd or even number using batch script in Windows. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.